Finding a niche for your site is the most difficult thing but most crucial at the same time. It is the first step towards building a successful online business. But unfortunately, the majority of the people get it wrong and regret it later down the road. What if I tell you there is a brand new platform that comes with more than 5,000 pre-registered, most profitable, most popular and trending niche ideas and micro niche ideas for you? My entrepreneur friend Hardik Rawal has created a breakthrough system called MayoNiche that utilizes the full power of niche marketing so that you can rank your blog or niche site on first page of search engines. With MayoNiche, you get real-time and updated data every single day. He has simplified the entire process so that anyone with zero experience can tap into the world of niche marketing and rank higher on the search engines. Even if they suck at SEO or are brand new to the subject, he has just opened the doors to this brand new SEO tool, MayoNiche. MayoNiche will allow you to get free targeted buyer traffic in 48 hours or less by leveraging the full power of SEO. With this brand new done for you system land on the first page of Google organically, no need to install any software, no previous training needed, no SEO experience required, no proxies or captchas. Heck, you don't need to know what SEO is. All you need to know is, first, log into the web-based portal. Second, enter the target keywords. Third, hit submit. Yes, that's it. This breakthrough SEO tool will surely take your SEO game to the next level. Jumpstart your or your clients' online businesses, and for niche research, micro niche ideas, exact match domains or keyword planning with MayoNiche. You are just a click away to identify the pain points in your niche and work towards the solutions. Check out this brand new SEO platform. Getting page 1 rankings has never been easier. Land on the first page of Google organically with this breakthrough system. This platform is better, faster and more powerful than other tools to deliver you higher rankings, traffics and sales. It will get to work and give you thousands of profitable, popular and trending keywords to skyrocket your site to page 1 of Google. It works for anyone, no matter whether you are a writer, affiliate marketer, Amazon affiliate, blogger, SEO expert, domain website flipper, freelancer, YouTuber or entrepreneur. With MayoNiche, you will be able to rank your blog on page 1, rank your niche site on page 1, rank your e-commerce site on page 1, rank your Amazon affiliate sites on page 1, rank your ClickBank affiliate site on page 1, rank your client site on page 1. It is really the perfect solution for anyone running any type of online business. MayoNiche is the most powerful SEO and niche marketing weapon you have been waiting for since ages. Snatch this brand new SEO weapon to instantly generate bucket loads of niche keyword ideas, gain higher rankings on search engines and get embarrassingly large amounts of traffic. MayoNiche is the only all-in-one niche marketing weapons arsenal you will need to kill your competition. And you can check the description box for getting access to the huge discounts of launch special offer of this product. And if you are interested but want to know more, then don't worry. I have provided a direct link to the official MayoNiche website. Also, I have a free bonus for you all. Go check the description box. Bye bye. See you in some other video.